Welcome back. I'm going to show you how to embellish this braid that we made earlier. So I made it all the way to the length of it, so I need to make the ribbon just a little bit longer, so if I attach it to a mum, I'll have room on that backer. So I found this little scrap piece of satin ribbon. So what I'm going to do is just hot glue about a ½ inch of that and try to line it up with the middle and just press that down. You could staple it too, but since I'm working with these thick ribbons, hot glue will work better. So there, I just made it a few inches longer, and if this is showing, that's okay. We'll embellish that. I'll show you how to do that. And as you can see, all these staples are showing, and we don't want that. If this was for a boy's mum, you know, I'd have to be more careful about what I embellished it with, but I'm going to do this as if it's a girl's mum. So I've got all these different diamond mesh ribbons. I've got this one and this one, and then the regular one. And any of those will make this look so pretty and so different. It'll just step up the mum. Okay, so there's the bottom. And what we can do is we can hot glue 2 of those on each one to cover the staple. Or we can cut these to the length. So I'd have to cut it like that, but I wouldn't want it that wide, so I'd cut it like 3 by, let's see, about right there. And that's the great thing about this stuff. You can cut it how you want it, what size you want it to be. Okay, there's just 1 or 2 rows. And that would probably be plenty. And this one's 3, so you can see the difference that it would make. Either way is very pretty. And then this one is really different. It's got some squares. So we could cut off probably just those squares. Let's see how long. Like 4 of those. And this one wouldn't be as bad for on a boy's mum either, because it's not diamonds, it's just these squares that are sparkly. So hopefully you can see that. That would cover it up nicely too and give it a different look. And also, you don't have to do the same on both ones. You could do one look on one side and one look on the other. What that would look like. And then on the orange, same thing. You've got different looks to go with. I think I'm going to do the flower on top of the orange name, or orange ribbons. Just going to cut these into 2s. I'm just going to rub a little hot glue in the center. Watch your fingers. And just put that over in the middle so it is covering that staple. You can find this stuff online. You can also find it at Hobby Lobby. I've not seen it at Michael's, so I'm not sure if they have it or not. But it's just called, it's a diamond mesh ribbon, and then this one is like a flower diamond mesh ribbon. Again, I'm just going to hot glue those. And you're just trying to cover up the ugly staples so they're not so noticeable. It's okay if you can see a little bit of the staple. It's not going to be that noticeable because people are going to be looking at that bling and not trying to find the staple underneath it. You can see what a difference that makes. How pretty is that? Okay, and then on these black ones, I think I will see about doing those squares. Just do something different on either side. You can do the same on both sides, of course. And how pretty is that? Or the plain. It just gives you a different look. So I'm going to cut some more of this and see how I like it. And that's another thing. If you're experimenting, you don't know if you're going to like something, just kind of place it on there first before you actually glue it on there to make sure you're going to like it. So I'll cut 3 of those off. That's very cute. I like it. It's different. So let's go ahead and get those on there. I'm just going to glue the first two first because these get twisted around really easily. So I'm going to make sure I've got it where I want it. And then I'll glue the other two. Again, I prefer to put the glue on the embellishment and not on the ribbon itself if I can help it, because it will shrink this ribbon up or curl it up. Sometimes it's not noticeable, but sometimes it just completely messes up your braid. And there's nothing more frustrating than that. Gonna have to make sure these go on straight because they will twist around. Okay, now up here where these two meet, again I can do these flowers, but I think I want to go with this to cover that up, and I can just do it right there where it meets, or I can do it the whole length. So I just need to see how long that is, and it's right there. That's much wider than I want to go with, so I'm going to cut that down by a couple. Let's try two. Now this one is not acetate or polysatin, so I don't have to worry about it messing up the ribbon, so I can put the glue straight on that. And I want this to be on the edge so you can't see where it meets. There, and that just covered that up. And I could put some more right above it if I wanted to, or I could even take a long piece, make sure this is in view, take a long piece down the center, glue it like that, and make it really sparkly. This just really blends up the braids and chains, just adding this stuff. Stop it about right there, because some of this is going to be under the back, or you won't even be able to see it. You don't want to waste a bunch of this stuff. I've still got 3 more of those to put on, but you can see what it's looking like and how blinged up it's going to be. It's really just that easy to make them so unique and sparkly and blingy and just really girly. So it doesn't take a lot of effort. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.